Hey subscribers, numismatists and coin collectors in general, young and old. Welcome to Numis Canada with Bruce. And today we have yet another mail call, and it looks like all three packages are from the Royal Canadian Mint. Hopefully there are no duplicates. But we'll be right back just after this. Welcome back. And yes, we do have three packages to open. I'm going to start with the simplest one to open first because these boxes are a bit challenging. So we have this one, and I don't feel anything down there, so I'm going to just cut along the edge. And there we go. The obligatory paperwork. Just move that aside. And, oh, here, yes, very nice. We have the Remembrance Day commemorative coin. And this year, every year they do a poppy coin that is colorized, but this year it has a little bit of a new twist. Take a look. That is the current poppy coin. And of course, it is the 75th anniversary of VE Day. And so they have done this quarter with the victory the same as the $2 coin, but a different design. Very nice. And this is 25 cents, and it looks like it is a reverse proof on the reverse. So very nice. Remembrance Day, Canada. That's when Canadians remember the military and the service that they've given to Canadians. And that is on November 11th every year. So, Remembrance Day. Okay, so now we go to the more challenging ones. And I may speed up the videos in trying to open these because they can be challenging. And we have the obligatory paperwork. And I'm not going to read the box so that I'm surprised. Oh, very cool. This is the changing of the guard at Parliament Hill. And you can see the Queen's Guard who protect Parliament Hill. And it is her guard that protects Parliament Hill. And during summer months, they protect it all year round, but in summer months, they do a formal changing of the guard in fairer months. When the snow flies, I think they take cover and protect it differently. And that is a $10 fine silver coin. And let's just take a look at the certificate of authenticity. And it says, this certificate attests your 2020 $10 fine silver coin is authorized by the Government of Canada. Okay, There are 10,000 of these coins struck, and this is number 1,254 of 10,000. Very nice. And I'm not sure, but I believe this is a ½ ounce of silver. Let me just see if it says. It's 4.9 silver. It doesn't say what the weight is. I'll have to check that out, and I will look that up, and I'll possibly put it in the overnotes here. But it looks like it's a ½ ounce of silver. And so we have the poppy and the Queen's Guard, and let's see what's in here. There we go. And again, the obligatory paperwork. And it looks like we have another box coin. And again, I won't look at it, at the description on the box, but I will be surprised when I open it. And, oh my. This is Canada's second peace dollar, I believe. There are 5,000 minted, and it is number 3,165. I don't know if where I purchased these from, because I purchased this on eBay because the mint was sold out, but it looks like whoever I purchased this from had it shipped directly. If it isn't, I would look like I could have 2 of these coming, but I was not able to purchase this because it was sold out, and I was angry with the mint because they sold out so quickly, and they did not limit per household with such a small mintage. And I wrote and told them that. And that's a beautiful peace dollar, and this is a 2021 coin. This is the 2021 peace dollar, and it is a thick. It is raised, a very deep cameo coin, and it is beautiful, and it is also fine silver. So that is our mail call for today. But I have one more thing to show you. And I will put all of these under the scope so that you can see them and photograph them under the scope. But many coin collectors say, always check your pocket change because you don't know what you're going to get unless you look. And that is very true because my friend Mike gave me this. He found it in his pocket change, and he's heard me say that on these videos. And he gave this to me. And this is a 2010 Olympic coin, and it is a 2007 issued coin for the 2010 Olympics, and this one is Canada's favorite pastime, hockey. And I'll put this under the scope so you can see it as well. So that's it for today. So don't forget to keep looking in your pocket change because you'll never know what you're going to find unless you look. And today is a matter of 3 beautiful silver coins. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Take care and bye for now.
And of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember to always keep on collecting.